Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kem of Glamlookbykem, a YouTuber based in Lagos and a makeup artist as well. If you're a returning subscriber, you're a darling. But if you're new here, welcome to Glam Family. So today I'll be doing a quick tutorial for you guys. Yes, using just 5 products, guys. I said 5, just 5. You see they fear myself, but we'll go run out. Guys, well, yeah, so let's head right into the tutorial. But first of all, I need to prep my skin because since I'm using less products, my skin needs to be glowy. Do I make sense? Let's head right into it. So first of all, I'll be using this wipes, this facial cleansing wipes, and this micellar water to cleanse my face. Like I said, I need to prep my skin. But since I'm using less products, my skin needs to glow through the products or through the makeup. Yes, so I'll just take one and put a bit of my micellar water, and yeah, just for my face. So now that I'm done cleaning my face, I need to take off my facial hairs. Guys, I actually have a lot of facial hairs, so to allow this makeup glow properly and sink into my skin, I need to take it off. And I'll be using I'm going to take off my facial hairs using this 3-in-1. How much does it go for? This goes for, I think, 1,000 naira. So I'll be using one. Usually you could do this without cleaning your face, but I have a very sensitive skin. Like, I'm stressing like my skin is very sensitive, guys. So I need to just clean it up in case, you know, I won't be the one to ruin my skin. So apart from that, I'm still going in with this vitamin C serum. Yes, this brightening serum with vitamin C from BBT Skincare. I usually use this for my skincare routine. It's the skincare product. But I'll be using it to take off my facial hairs as well. Like I said, my skin is very sensitive, so I do everything possible. I'm not one to take off my facial hairs on a normal day. Most of my videos, most of my makeup tutorials, I actually have my facial hair on. But because I'm using less products in this tutorial today, I need to take off my facial hairs. Yeah, if I'm not talking too much. So I'll be using a drop. Oh, that was more than a drop. Okay, and just massage it into my skin. So it just helps me not to get any reaction of any kind. Because skincare products are expensive. Then if I react, guys, I'll break the bank. I've been there, so I know what I'm talking about. So yeah. After doing that, the next thing I need to do is going with this to take off my facial hairs. And I'll be using a mirror, so you don't think I'm. So I just hold my skin this way. Gently, guys, gently. Don't go wound yourself saying I'm you. Okay, I'm sorry. Why am I speaking pidgin? But yes, I know you get. So guys, I had to take off the remaining hairs of camera, please, because I can't hold mirror on one hand, and you know that was really difficult. But yes, you guys get the gist, right? I know you do. So right now I need to cleanse my face again with the same wipes, and this is not just the regular wipes. This is like a facial cleansing wipes. My skin is very sensitive, so not like I don't use the other wipes. Please don't get me wrong. But because I needed to take off my facial hairs, I needed to use a particular kind of wipe. Yes, and I'm using this micellar water as well, and I'm putting more than usual. And I'm just gonna put on my skin, like for some minutes, you know. Don't mind me, guys. If your skin is not this sensitive, if you just keep this part and yeah, wait for the makeup tutorial. Thank you. So guys, I'm done cleaning my face with the micellar water, and I'm just gonna allow this sink into my skin and dry before I go to the next step. Like I said, or rather like I usually say on my channel, I allow each product to sink in before using the next product. That makes sense, right? Yes. So it's dried up now, and I'm going to use my the ordinary serum hyaluronic acid. Yeah, I usually just use this on a regular day, but I have to use it because I took the hair off my face. You guys understand that this face is so precious. And please, I don't know, when I see people touch this on their skin, I don't know, it doesn't make sense to me, guys. Please just drop it. That's why it's a dropper. It's not saying you should rub it on your face like that. So yeah. I'm not trying to call anybody out, I beg you. Don't mind me, guys, please. So yeah, I'm massaging it into my skin. So after that, I'll be using the ordinary moisturizer to moisturize my face. I'm not using my Mismetics here because yeah, I'll use their sunscreen. So I'll be using my Mismetics sunscreen. Yes, I love their sunscreen. I use their moisturizer and I use their sunscreen. Yep. Like I said, my face needs all the sweet moisture it can get, because this makeup is gonna be glowing. Don't mind me. Okay. Oh, I'm loving my skin right now. I love how it's feeling. I love just massage. Then under my eyes, you know. So in today's tutorial, I'll be going in with my concealers first, and I'll be using 2 in this video. You can use 1, whatsoever works for you, but here I'll be using 2 because I need to conceal some stuff on my face. My skin is not that perfect, you know. If yours is, I'm jealous, but mine isn't. So, and I broke out of recent. You guys know how it is now. So I'm just going to allow that stay before I use my fingers to just blend it in. Then I'm going with this Zikel concealer, and I'll be using this for my under eyes. So usually I go with my setting spray, but we are limiting our products today, and I didn't prime. Yes, so I just go with my beauty blender and just blend in this. So I think I'm done with applying the concealer because it's just meant to be a bit. It's not meant to cover your whole blemishes. Guys, your skin is meant to breathe in this kind of makeup. So it's more like a dewy makeup. Yup. Usually the people I've seen do this challenge, they don't use powder, but I'm like, hello, can I do that without powder? Nope. So I'm using this kit, but still I'm still using 5 products. Yeah, very smart of me, right? I'm using this Zaron kit. Yes. It has a highlighter, what's it called, contour, and a bronzer. So this is what it looks like. Mine already hit the pan. I've had it for a while. Yeah. So I'll be using this shade, this light part, just to, you know, touch it a bit, because I don't know how I'm going to work around without a powder. It's not like it's not possible, but maybe if I'm not going to anywhere serious, I could work away with that, but nope. So I'm just going to go right under my eyes again. Remember, I didn't use so much concealer, so don't expect to see the full coverage. What's coverage? Coverage! God, Kim! The full coverage you usually see on a normal day on my channel. So I'll just dip into this, and I'm thinking a brush would be better, so I just switched with a brush. Did I make the right decision? Yeah, I think it's much better because the next thing for me to do is still go back to this contour kit and, you know, just still a bit of this contour shade. Just contour a bit, nothing serious. You know, we usually have we actually have a natural contour. Yes, if you look at your face properly, you'll see it. So I'm just going to, you know, just touch up my natural contour a bit. Please, oh, I'm being light-handed because remember, this is barely no makeup. Do you get it, right? So I'm being really light-handed. So don't go overboard with the contour. Just more like not like I woke up like this, but I have a meeting and I had to rush out, but I'm still a boss, so I need to look like a boss. Yes, I'm actually really excited today. I don't know, God is about doing something I don't know about. Yeah, he's about manifesting something he's already done. Yeah, he's about manifesting it. I guess I know, you know. Do you guys like this me, or should I just go back to my voice over me being serious, you know, straight to the business, put your contour here? I actually don't know what I've come over with today. Just let me know what you think in the comment section about this whole vibe going on here. I swear I didn't plan for this to happen. So we're done with the brows, and the next on the list is my lips. We'll be doing is my lashes. Yeah, I need to go in with this concealer. This will help the mascara. Oh. Okay guys, we're done and this is what I'm looking like. I have to just go put on my wig and look like a human being. I wasn't feeling my natural hair. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Please do well to like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Yes, do not forget to turn on the notification bell as well to get notified each time I put up a new video. Thank you so much for being a part of Glam family. I do not take you guys for granted. And why is the fly in my video? Why are we sharing this channel? Guys, please pardon me. All right guys, see you in my next tutorial or my next vlog, whatsoever. Just see you in my next video. Love you guys.